customer had decided to change the handlebar. Now this bike had stopped working. He said the battery is fully charged, but nothing comes up on the display. So he decided to strip it down, as you can see, to try and fix the issue. And obviously he didn't fix it. Yeah, so the workshop looks a bit like a mess, but I did a few more adjustments to it. As you can see, on the display saying error 37. It tells me now he's also got a problem with the throttle. So if I turn that off, turn it back on, disconnect this. Yeah, I'm gonna need to take this wire apart. But when I took that apart, I noticed it's a little bit dark inside. So it looks like it's get this camera off. So I think when he tried to put it back together, I think he's blown the throttle. You can see it's a bit black inside here. So yeah, most likely the throttle is going to need replacing. Okay, so I'll put a different throttle on, which is not programmed to this bike, but that shows me the error's gone. So it's just keep saying wait. So obviously it's like thinking about this new throttle what I've put in. So this throttle is not going to work because it's not interlinked with this bike. So obviously I'm gonna have to order the correct throttle for this bike to get working. End up sussing the fault, and so now this bike's got power, and I spoke with the customer. They'll put it back together themselves. So yeah, this bike is now done, and they're gonna replace the throttle themselves. So they only wanted for me to get the bike working, to have power basically.